Would you like to drink some fine wine with no name? So, Borgogno is one of the most important names in the Langhe region. And yet, this bottle carries no name. Actually, if you're gonna go check it out, let me check the cork first. If you're gonna check out the label, it says Etichetta di protesta, a protest label. Why? Well, basically, because in 2005, these guys were bottling Barolo, the same Barolo, from two different vats. And one is awarded with a DOCG stamp, the other one isn't. So, as a protest, Borgogno decided to put on the market a wine with no name. Still is the same Nebbiolo grapes, still 3 years in the big oak Slavonian barrels. This wine is bottled as a Langhe Nebbiolo, so Nebbiolo is the grape variety from which Barolo is made. Nebbia means fog. Nebbiolo could be a variety that is harvested when the nebbia is out, late. Or otherwise because the berry of Nebbiolo, when it's ready to harvest, has got some kind of a patina that looks like fog. Either or, let's go check the wine out in a hot vintage like 2017. Prunes, so pretty dark fruit, a little bit of earth and licorice. The palate is relatively sweet, but all of a sudden you have all the structure of Nebbiolo that gets all around your palate. A little bit of this leathery tobacco and black cherry finish. This one is gonna be perfect with a risotto al Barolo or a Barolo stew. Or just with some nice Piemonte cheese. Hello, anyone out there? I know you guys are out there, and I know that you all want some more tricks and more tips. And of course, who doesn't want more love? And for that, subscribe our channel, follow our social media, and drink more vino. Make sure there is good vino.